Imagine a mind that doesn't just answer questions, but understands them. A mind that can learn to play a cello as easily as it can write a symphony, diagnose a rare disease, or design a new type of fusion reactor. This is the promise of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and right now we are witnessing the most expensive and intense technological arms race in human history. Every major tech titan from Microsoft and Google to Amazon and Meta is pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into a single foundational goal, building a machine that matches and eventually exceeds the breadth and depth of the human mind. But what exactly is AGI? Unlike the narrow AI we use today like ChatGPT, which is excellent at text, or Midjourney, which excels at images, AGI is defined as an autonomous system that surpasses human capabilities at most economically valuable work. It's not just a chatbot. It's a general-purpose problem solver. The potential benefits to humanity are staggering. For an individual, an AGI could act as a personalized mentor, a 24/7 medical advocate, or a creative partner. On a global scale, it could be the key to solving our most complex challenges. We're talking about AGI-driven breakthroughs in room temperature superconductors, the engineering of the future's carbon capture systems, and even personalized education systems that can adapt to every child on Earth simultaneously. As Sam Altman of OpenAI has frequently stated, AGI will be the most significant technological development in human history. If the benefits are so clear and the funding is so vast, why don't we have it yet? The hard truth is that building a general mind is perhaps the most difficult engineering challenge we've ever faced. Our previous attempts are a testament to this difficulty. In the 1980s and 90s, the world was convinced the answer was symbolic AI, often called good old-fashioned AI. The idea was that if we could just code enough logical rules and if-then statements, intelligence would emerge. But the world is too messy for rigid rules. These systems lacked common sense and failed the moment they encountered something not in their database. Then came the era of connectionism and the neural networks we use today. While ELMs like GPT-4 are incredibly impressive, they still hit a fundamental wall. They are essentially high-level statistical engines. They predict the next token based on patterns, but they don't truly reason. They lack what scientists call a world model, an internal understanding of cause and effect. A toddler understands that if they push a glass off a table, it will break. A current AI doesn't know this. It just knows that the word break often follows the words glass and fall. Despite these hurdles, the ventures currently aiming for AGI are taking radical new approaches. OpenAI is moving towards system-to-thinking, trying to give AI the ability to think before it speaks by using massive search and reasoning loops, as seen in the recent o1 models. Meanwhile, Google DeepMind is focusing on physical AI and robotics, believing that a mind cannot be general unless it has a body to experience and learn from the physical world. We also see promising research from companies like Anthropic, which is focusing on mechanistic interpretability, literally trying to map the brain of the AI to understand how it thinks, ensuring that as it becomes more general, it remains aligned with human values. Then there's Zai, leveraging massive real-world data from the physical world to build models that understand the foundational laws of the universe. We are standing at a unique moment in history. The engineering of the future is no longer about building faster cars or taller skyscrapers. It's about building a mind. Whether we reach AGI in 2026 or decades from now, the journey is redefining what it means to be intelligent. We are the architects of a new kind of existence, and the foundation we lay today will determine the trajectory of our species forever. Hi everyone, Mark here. If you are fascinated by the engineering of the future, subscribe and follow for more science, natural, and cosmic content. See you in the next one.